organized our truck.
See locally on KSAT's ATV San Antonio. ATV is memorable.
Probably somewhere over there. We've been waiting for 3 hours to drop off this load. And I have to pee. And I wanted him to distract me from peeing, so I'm having him paint my toenails. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited.
He's doing a good job. He's so concentrated. Yeah, I forgot toenail remover, so I'm just rocking that. Let me show you how we use the fridge. So you just open it. We rigged it because this little latch here is broken. That's not cool.
No.
And by the way, we just got these at Dollar General, and they're hell good. What does it taste like? I forgot what you say.
Like a blue icy.
They're blue icy. Literally, we have water, my green tea, dog food, more blue ices and water, and a chicken nugget for my doggy. He's passed out. He's had an adventurous day today. He's probably missing his sissy. Oh, and this is how we put it back. So then that way, it is never locked on us, and we can always open it. Fabulous time in our Peterbilt. And that's the time that we're having on day one. We have to wake up, and we will see y'all tomorrow about like 5 or 6ish. We are on day 2. Yesterday was day 2. This is day 3 technically, because we left Friday and today is Sunday. But really nothing amazing has been happening. This is Bobby's first. Oh my god, it's so bright. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put my sight on. Okay, first of all, I'm not wearing makeup because it is really bad for your skin to wear makeup all the time. So I'm taking this opportunity to kind of get my skin in out of this crazy whack that it was in. Gotta love hormones. Anyways, so yeah, so we're here in Laredo, Texas, and Bobby's in there somewhere getting his next duties. But yeah, so we have to actually get the truck fixed, because when you have the truck on, the AC's on, right? But when you turn it off, the AC is supposed to be on like back here, and it's not working. So hopefully they can fix it. If not, I mean, we can just idle, but you know, it's not really good for the earth. This is day 5 in the truck. We had a little pause for a day. We went to our in-laws on like Sunday. That was in San Antonio, so we went back home. And yeah, so now we are on our way to Indianapolis, and we're going to be passing through Texarkana here soon. And I'm super excited. This is my first time getting out of Texas and kind of going east instead of west, because I'm from Cali, so I'm done going on the west side. I want to see the east side. I'm just glad I'm here with my babe. Left my job for this wonderful new office that my husband has. I left my job because I didn't like it anymore and I was just done dealing with my boss. And I've been there for 5 years, so putting up with, you know, stuff that you don't like for so long and being mistreated, it was finally time for me to cut ties. And it was putting a lot of stress on me and my relationship with him. Also, we're trying for a baby, so that's really stressful when you're stressed out 24/7 going to your job and getting mistreated like that. So I left, and 25, so that's not too bad. I think I'm just gonna take a break from working right now and just enjoy my time with my husband, try for a baby, and then I will hopefully figure something out.
Baby. We'll make a baby.
We've been trying for like, how long, babe? 2 years? Since we got married. So we're going on 3 years of trying. But I shouldn't say like, maybe like 6 months of fully like trying when I'm like ovulating and stuff. I just never have done those sticks or anything like that. We were just kind of going by my app, my period app calendar.
Yeah.
So, and then we found out that that was wrong when I finally bought one of the ovulation tests. So that was off by like 5 days. So that could have been why. But we're just kind of focusing on ourselves, not really trying, but whatever happens, happens. We definitely want a baby soon.
We'll keep our fingers crossed.
How do you like being back over the road?
It's good. I'm just glad I got you with me. It's nice.
He joined back with Celadon. He really likes that company. They treated him good.
Yeah, we finally got the opportunity to go back out driving, but she can come with me now. Now, I've been driving for on and off for about 6 years, and all the times I went over the road, I had always wanted her to come with me, but she got set with staying in town because of her job. And so I was compensating for that by getting some local jobs and driving, you know, back and forth, being home every day. I think it's just fate that we have this opportunity for her to come with me now.
So we took the chance and we went with it. No matter what anybody thinks, I don't care. This is the perfect time for us to travel since we don't have kids right now. All we have is 2 little doggies and we have one with us.
One of the two. The good one about traveling. The other one, she has tendencies to get sick pretty quick. So we ruled her out on wanting to come with us on trips. But he's been a trooper so far. This is his first time doing cross travel now. You know, instead of just going maybe from the store and back to the house or something.
When you're on the last minute. Let's go!
Home. Messaging. You have 5 hours and 7 minutes of
trucker in his natural habitat, trying to overcome the rain. Mother Nature's bringing down upon us.
Crikey, look at them clouds, mate.
Look at them.
This is a beast of a storm. We're going into the depths. Yeah, we don't know how deep and what it's gonna be.
Into the storm. smoking, man. Ooh, it's dark. Hey, this time, yeah. About like 2 more hours till we reach our destination. We're at some nasty weather, man. Man, the weather can be an asshole, can it? Huh, babe? Buddy, you keep passing us when it's raining, man. These truckers got some wheels, I tell you what. We're done for the day, and tomorrow we will be in Indianapolis. Stay tuned for that video. Night.
Good night.